In order to easily create a template, we start off with an existing process model. We then add a number of constraint flows to the model. Using standard settings, these constraint flows enforce that an element or group is eventually followed by another in a path. Next, we add a constraint flow which enforces parallel paths between two elements. We now add several more flows in order to enforce process consistency. Because of the importance of the decision-making process, we decide to constrain it using a frozen group. A frozen group will allow no changes to its contents during customization, and therefore is the ideal tool in this situation. In order to make sure the decision-making process is always reached, we add a final constraint flow leading to the frozen group. Finally, we remove a number of elements which are unnecessary to include in the template. To create a variant, we use the template we prepared earlier. In this mode, anything may be edited, except constraint elements. We add a number of information gathering options to the process. We pre-created these elements for the sake of this video, but normally this is not necessary. Finally, we reintroduce a feedback loop for the option to object against the negative decision. In this case, an objection always leads directly to a newly considered decision. When validating the variant, we discovered two errors within the process. In order to fix these errors, we have to move the feedback loop from the objection procedure to include the indication activity. After revalidation, we conclude that the variant is correct and ready for use.